Resetting your laptop removes malware, corrupted files, or system glitches. Here is a simple guide on how to reset laptop using command prompt. Open command prompt as an administrator. Press Windows +R. Type cmd and press Ctrl Shift Enter to run as administrator. Use one of the following commands. The first option is to reset and keep files. Type systemreset cleanpc. This will reset Windows but keep your personal files. The second option is to reset and remove everything on your PC. Type systemreset factoryreset. Choose remove everything when prompted.